This video serves as feedback for the Ecology project outline. So what I will do is just talk about this copy. It is blank, however, it will show you what I expect to see when I look at your completed copy. The first thing I should see is your biome. I had some students ask me, "Oh, Mr. Origin, I forgot my biome from when I filled it out on the Google form that we had last week." That's totally fine. I'll let you know. Or if you want to pick a different one, let me know. This is something that you can choose for yourself. But anyway, I should see it typed in here, your biome. Down here, identify at least 10 organisms specific to your biome that will be in your food web and categorize them into the boxes below. What we are trending toward is building a food web that encompasses several different species within your ecosystem, or within your biome. So what I should see are in these boxes here different organisms. At least one carnivore, at least one omnivore, at least one at least one herbivore, at least two producers, and at least one decomposer. These definitions are available in the work that we've done this week, our Introduction to Food Webs assignment. So we are building our knowledge. How do you get this data? You need to conduct your own research. A simple search engine search, a simple Google search can yield you really great results. So I should see, at least one, but hopefully several different organisms that are correctly classified into these categories. The next thing to do is to identify at least 3 food chains that will be in your food web. The more organisms you have up here in your examples, the easier it is to make your food chains. You need to make 1, 2, 3 different food chains starting with a producer. So feel free to pull from your organisms up here down to your food chains. So your food chains read across. You have 4 different trophic levels, starting with producer to primary consumer to secondary consumer to tertiary consumer. So you should read your food chains across like this. 3 different food chains. They have to make sense, and they have to start with a producer. The last thing you have to do is really simple. For one of the food chains above, place arrows in between the organisms. You can actually just copy and paste these little arrow diagrams in here, or I had some students write in the space below. So all you are doing is showing the direction. Remember what the arrows represent, the flow of energy. So I want to see arrows pointing in the correct direction. So that's the point of using these arrows. And so it's a lot of independent research. Feel free to include your sources down here below, not only for me, but also for you, if you want to refer to them a little later. That's all for this video.